you can get what we're doing. Go sit on the truck there if you want, or whatever. Be wherever you want. Okay, there you go. Hi, everybody. We've got a good group there. Looks like we may have more here than here. Let's find out. What's the story with our pallet here?
Shall I move the firewood away?
What's the story with our pallet here? Oh, jeez. Gary?
Yes?
What's the story with our pallet here?
Oh, I'll get it. Just get it completely out.
Just enough so I don't trip on anything. That's my, I want to avoid tripping hazards when I start having fun here. Oh, geez, there's a bunch there. Hi, everybody. I'm your friend. I'm Martin. I'm your friend. You got to talk to him real nice. That helps. That cool attach. No, not that one yet.
Not that one.
No, we're going to do these first. I'm a-thinking here. I'm a-thinking. As I see comb sideways. I see here.
Tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Is the tailgate of my truck down?
What? I didn't understand.
Drop the tailgate of my truck.
Tailgate of your truck. Oh, how yummy. I'll take it.
Well, no, I'm not going any further than here, I don't think, right now. What we're going to do is take this guy and set him off somewhere, like on that wood behind you maybe or something, on that flat up in there. Yeah, will it set there? We get that lucky?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's lift this real quick. You look pretty good. All right. There's a thing looks like an orange double pair of pliers in there. Just grab a center frame there and pull her out. Should just pull out. Anybody on there? Just set her in the truck. Just take it. We're gonna.
Will I take more out?
Yeah, we're gonna take 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look here.
Are they working? Well, there's one. That's ain't bad. We want like 30 or 40. That's okay. How did you do on waxing these? Any luck with it or? Don't worry about that. I'll tap it. I'll keep it between.
Oops.
Did it fly off? Good.
Come on, get out there. Now he flew.
Okay.
Now, set these on the truck.
Yeah, please.
We're gonna take them all out.
Well, I'm thinking out loud here. So, what I'm doing is, yeah, we'll just get them going. And what I'm going to do is this. Find me a stick to wedge in here, okay? Something right here. Maybe this will do.
That one's not big enough.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's get some of these out there too. I may just be able to set the comb right in here. Okay. You with me what we're doing here?
Yeah.
Okay, is that log over it? It is not.
Now, we're going to take the string
Let's get
and
this
cut
log
that. No.
out. Let's get this guy out.
I'm
Right
getting
here.
there.
See if that'll come up. Good. Now, help me lift from that end on this log if you could, please. This one right here. Lift straight up if you can. Easy, slow.
Oh my goodness.
That's good.
Oh my. Look what's still in here.
I know, we'll get there. All right. Will that rest there? Are we crushing comb on the side or no? I can't tell.
Oh, I was touching right.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, that's stuck onto this one. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're going to just set this here like so. Set it at an angle. There you go. Look at that. What are those?
Yeah, ants. Red ants carrying their eggs. Now, you just pick that all up.
Let's study it just a minute. Now, okay, that's bruised. That's good. Okay, where's your foam brush, sir?
In this pocket.
Brush them off into the box. Gently. Yeah, there you go. Hit it. Hit. Real quick, that's good. Okay, good. Okay. Go over here with this. Joy, you might want to go on the other side of the truck. Even more. There you go. Where's our string, sir?
Two pieces or one?
We'll see. Hopefully there's one. Okay. Now, lift the comb. There we go. Let her down.
Wait a little bit. I can imagine this is going to be fun. Try to tie a knot with gloves on.
Yes. Thank you. And we'll go over more space. Go around like that. We're going to lift the comb up and go around again. You with me? We're going to catch several areas of it. There you go. So we get as wide apart as we can. You with me?
Yes.
Like that. Okay.
You know,
And I'm going to stand this up, hopefully. It'd be really good if we could get it to stick on there. I'm sure we can.
so we're going to try to get it
Wrap
to,
that around there real loose, not too tight, and we don't want to cut in the comb much. Bring it up this way if you can.
I'm at the end of the string here. I don't
Here, let's
have,
do, hang on. Okay, here, wait. Leave yours where it is. I'm going to spread it out a ways. That's good. Just leave your end up. We'll tie to that. We'll tie to your end there. Bring this under. Bring it up. And we'll tie it off right there.
I thought they would be a lot more aggressive.
They will be. Don't worry about it. We'll get to them in a minute. We'll get to the mean ones in a few minutes. Come on, baby, hold. Once we went fishing with a heart surgeon, and I had this bass, and I had a pair of pliers, and I was going to take the hook out, and he reached in with his fingers and took that hook out, patted the fish on the head and said, if you were in my operating room, this would have cost you thousands of dollars. Get that over this way, please. Oh, yeah. What we're going to do, if I can find the end, let's go like this. And go. Pull that to you, please. Just going to wrap it around there a little bit. We're holding, I believe, are we?
Yeah, we're going
Looks
to
like we
tie
are.
those.
Nope, not a bit. We'll leave it like that. That's done.
Okay. One down.
First frame is in. Now what I want to do here, I think we'll take the big log, this big log, and lift it up, get it out of here.
Okay.
Can you take it? The whole
I
thing?
can.
Got it?
I got it.
Keep that as flat, as vertical as you can. Yeah, then we're going to take that over to the truck, and we'll try to tie it up. Any rubber bands, Joy?
In-house.
Yeah.
Do I want this
Hang on,
flipped
let me look
over?
at let me look at it. What do we got here? Is it one piece or two?
Looks like,
Can you get us some rubber bands or do that? man?
sure. Do I turn this off?
Just leave it on, lay it down. Face up is fine. That's fine. Leave it like that. Sorry, girls. Hate to bother you. Yeah. Hate to bother you. The main thing I found with bees is work slow
He got me
and easily. Slowly
right
and
through
easily.
the pants.
Yeah. Like that thing now. We'll take this. Give this to me, please. Oh, smoke yourself.
Not a big deal. She just done me.
He's not on it. That's how the straight thing is. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to let that do the same thing for me.
She will do that to you.
Go. Good, good, good. Okay. Thank you.
Oh,
There we go. I think what we'll do is we'll just lay them in a rubber band, put a rubber band across. Thank you, thank you.
wasn't sure how many you needed.
What I'll do is I'll put about 3 or 4 of these on here, and then we'll just set them between, you know what I mean?
Good.
And then let it rest on the bottom. Let it rest down there.
Well, that spot is continuing to hurt more.
No, it will, yeah. They say you rub baking soda on it. So. See if that'll stay. Yay!
Gosh, that works great.
It does, yeah. easier than string, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, do you have any pieces on that big log, or did we get all of them? Right here, on this big log.
Oh, I guess we got
If there's none on there, what we're going to do is we're going to brush the bees in there.
there are a lot of beads on it, but not much honey.
All right, here's what they have.
Sally, no.
Ribofoam brusher to you.
Yes, I do.
You can get that back later if you want.
I'm not worried about it.
Okay, where do we want to go next?
Well, do we want the logs or that?
I don't know. I'm going to get this maybe. Okay. We got one piece laying in there I got to get out too. So I was going to get that. Here,
Pick it up gently.
I will, yeah. Let me brush them off and then pick it up. Okay, girls, we're making a new home for you. Okay, everybody wants to go on a new home. Yeah, oh, you're on a piece of twig there, aren't you? Yeah, that's a good spot you picked. That's a good spot. It's well anchored. We may not be able to save that. So we may have to just
Lock into the stuff.
like that, yes. Down you go. Everybody goes to the box. There you go. Let's see what we got. We'll give this to you. There you go. You got it over there. Okay. Now,
Do I pick up that one?
do you?
You gotta brush it.
I don't think you're brave enough for that, sir. Or are you?
Well, so far, I've only been stung once.
This is good. Let's put these. Here, I'll get another piece actually since we may be able to fit all this. Is there just one on this log? I think there is.
Wow.
See, there's two big brood pieces here we got to get in frames. So we got one, two, those will be two full frames. This will be a frame. Yeah, so we'll just let them rest for a minute. We'll take that over and do these. Then we'll get the next.
I see one very large. Is that the queen?
Where, please? Where, please?
Right on top.
It could be, yeah. You know what we're going to do? Let's do this. Let me have that.
Put her in the box.
You better believe it now. Where's our brush?
Got the brush.
What I'm going to do is clear a piece of glue and give it to you. And brush everybody into the box.
Now where did she go?
Don't know. So we're going to do that number and see what happens.
Wow.
That's really not worth saving. We'll keep it anyway. I want to get this off of here so we don't decide to build here again. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Keep building in the box, not out.
Now, okay. I'm going to lay this down here. We'll get that later. What do you got over there? What do we got?
I've got 5 pieces now.
Okay. I'll try to get this big piece off of here.
Need to hold the log.
I'm just going to lift the fingertips. That's all brewed in there. We'll go where the brood is. Careful, you okay?
Hold off.
You okay?
It just rolled away.
Yeah, they're getting around you a lot more, dear. So.
And you, Joy, you might want to step back. And you can, there's a way you can zoom that. You take your fingers and go like that, and you can zoom the picture.
But we want.
Yes, sir, next frame. You know, you can put rubber bands on if you want, just put a bunch on, we'll just put on about. Now you're going, now. Here's the other deal. Now you go stand back a ways. Okay? There you go. That's probably good. Yeah, that's 4 or 5, that's good.
There's 5.
Yeah, now we're gonna have to do that piece, there's a big piece I got coming. So we'll have to slide these over. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just
And then bring them back.
work it in.
Okay? I will bring the piece now. Here we go. And we'll worry about the little ones later.
The man and his cane.
Hey, this is quite successful.
So you don't want me to help you here?
What would you do?
Well, I can see picking that up is going to be fun.
I'm going to the truck here. Oh, wait, we can do it here, I guess. But it works better on the flat. This is the top toward my hand, so turn your frame over. Turn your frame over.
Yeah, there. Sorry.
No, we're good. Pull your rubber bands. Pull your rubber bands out that way. No, just grab all of them and pull them out. Pull those out that way. Yeah, there you go, so I can slide in. Okay, there we go. Now let's just fix them in place. We got 2 here together, I think. I don't know. What do we got? Got 2 here together.
Oh, yeah. I wonder where the 5th one went.
There we go. Yay! Look at that. We did one. And you know what? Let's see. We can fit you in here somewhere.
There's another large bee right there.
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll let you take it out. You can put it in. You want to be the one to put it in? Let me see.
Do it again on the next one.
Yeah, we need to get our frame ready because this is going to be the one with a lot of bees and.
I wasn't sure how many rubber bands to bring.
Glad you brought this many because it's going to take them. Come on.
Are we having fun yet?
Got 3. Working on number 3.
Now leave them all toward one end maybe, but
Yeah.
where we can find them.
That's
And then, you know, we'll move them over as we go.
there's 4.
4 might be enough. Maybe 5 you want. Where's our smoker? You gotta pay too much attention to me. Are they bothering you?
That one broke.
Oh, I got that nice. I was hanging out in my uncle's bar in the 50s.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll bring her over.
Go away, bee. Go away.
Yes, I see ya. If I can help, tell me how, I'll come.
Here I come. Going in from this edge. Let's drop. There we go.
I think that might be 2 on that first.
We're hooked. There we go. Could be separated. Oh, I see it now.
I probably need to tell my neighbor thank you for sending them to me.
Well, they made the decision on their own, I'd say. Okay, let's give them some little stuff here on top. Don't matter, don't worry about it. Will that fit? Maybe? Yes, maybe. Looks good to me. Get rid of you here. Give me a rubber band, please. Think of which way that goes. Go on my side. Catch her around there. Good. Are we having fun yet?
Oh, sure.
Good.
Things I've never done before.
I never want to do it again. All right, let's call that good. Fit in the hole.
Oops.
I'll rework all this anyway. Okay, so we have no comb. What do we got left? We got a piece of comb down here.
That one just fell out.
Any more comb over where you are?
Not on this side, no.
No, I mean on the truck.
Oh, one little piece.
Good, don't worry about it. Now you waxed all these, right? You waxed all these?
Yes.
Yes. Well, there's still a lot of them.
We're going to take care of that in a minute.
They'll come to it.
We're going to take care of that in a minute.
Yeah, I see the side is covered down there.
I know it. I know it. Which one do you like better, that one or this one? Okay, top box, please. Now, this way.
Oh,
Yeah, because otherwise
I
they'll
had it upside down.
brush our friends off of here. If you can, right there, I'll do it. There we go. We don't want to crush anybody. On. I can't see over there. Are we on?
Well, I think we're covered now.
Good, good. Now, last step. I'll get this piece right here.
I'll get it. Oh, here's another piece of honeycomb.
Okay, well, we'll have to open up and stick that guy in somewhere. Let's lift this
Take
back
it back
off.
off.
Yep. Do we have open space on this anywhere?
No, you're on the wrong side of the camera.
Yeah, right on the edge. On your end.
Oh,
We rotate.
No, you're on the wrong side of the camera.
We'll pull a rubber band.
say it again. Oh, the rubber band.
That's all. All that good. on. And we're done.
Now, hopefully they'll all decide
can
to
reach
win
those.
there by dark.
It'll settle in, we hope. And look at that, we didn't hardly even need the smoker. Now what we can do is, get these on there.
We want these right in the
Yeah,
box.
just stick on the boxer, please.
One.
Do this. You can hit turn it off, Joy. I think we're done.
Oh. Is it the red square?
Yes. It's